Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So I did a thing. Bought more gear I didn't need. This is the GSI stainless 1.1 liter boiler. So let's get the camera turned so you can see it better. Like I said, I really didn't need this, but you know, I was at Winco and they were getting rid of their summer stuff in place of their you know, making room for like Halloween and blah blah blah, which, you know, it's August right now, so Christmas decorations will be up before you know it. In fact, I bet Costco is already setting them up this weekend. In August? In August. So actually I needed that box. I got a little ahead of myself. I'm gonna pick that up, don't worry. Actually I need to go get it because it's got all the stats on it. So it comes with a little bag to keep the pot in, which is nice-ish. I mean, I guess it's kind of simple, just a mesh bag, but it cinches, so good times. Decent, actually pretty heavy, I would say kind of heavy-duty handle. Then it's got the lid. Where's my, I'll drop my head for a sec. I don't want it blowing away. Nice heavy-duty lid with not a plastic handle here. Unlike my Stanley sets, they're all plastic and they all melted. And then the silica pack, which, you know, don't eat these, bad eats. So like I said, 1.1 liter. It holds up to, so it's got graduations on the inside here. So it shows, well, it's, I might get a different camera. Let me give you some stats for those who don't know. 1.1 liter or 1.12 pints, or is that 1.2 pints? Can't really read it. I don't have my reading glasses. 5.5 inches tall, 4.5 inches wide, and 4.9 inches. Well, it might be 4.8 inches tall and then 4.9 inches around, and 12.1 ounces. It's right off the box, so not bad. By the way, this was $9.99 at Winco because they were getting rid of their they're getting rid of their summertime stuff, and yeah, this was like marked down to like 60% off, so I couldn't see not getting it for that cheap. It was really the only reason I bought it, because of the 60% off. So I'm gonna bust out a stove here and let's get something boiling in this. So got the Fab Creations Trangia stand, which, fun fact, I don't know when this video will be up, but recently it was Bruce's from Fab Creations, his birthday. So I wished him a happy birthday on Facebook, but I didn't get around to doing any kind of video for him. So, bad mark. But I do wish you well, brother. If you're still watching, I mean, I haven't seen a comment from him in a while, but I do always hope he's well. Just like I hope the rest of you are well. So, I just love this little stove. It's freaking genius. Just got a standard Trangia. Big fan of this. Big fan of this. The stove stand is just awesome. Since we have fire restrictions, I'm really glad I brought this, because otherwise I'd have no way to cook. So, oh, that's right. Forgot how my own bottle worked. Probably don't need more than that. And this just goes like that and sits on top like that. And then I've got my, just did a video on this, my EDC carabiner. I need a fill rod, light this sucker. It's a little breezy today too, so I was going through some of my stuff and I found my windscreen. The Real 11T had sent me this. Really cool guy, by the way, so maybe I should link his channel below. Good dude. Real good dude. So, waiting for that to get up to full speed. Gotta do some kind of... A little trick that I do is I like to fill up the cup I'm gonna be drinking out of. And then I fill up my cook vessel. Because that way I'm not boiling more water than I need. Okay, so I'm trying to do this quickly. Come on, get together. And just put your pot on. Badass. Love this stove. Alright. Even though it's a warm day today, I thought some hot chocolate sounded good. I honestly can't think of a time when it doesn't sound good. So we're starting to get some babies. Yes, we are. Oh, we got a slow rolling boil. I'm gonna call that good enough. This handle doesn't feel hot, but I like to err on the side of caution anyway. Use a bandana. Just because. Because you know, it may look like it's cool enough, but you hit a hot spot and see, because I did that trick with the thingy, the cup. I don't have to worry about boiling too much water. Let's see if I can get this off. And I can. Simmer it and snuff it. So I don't know if anybody remembers this spot, but I almost came here and camped one night. That water's like 1,000 degrees. So we're gonna let that cool down a bit. So I don't get burnt. Well, I gotta say, I'm actually pretty impressed with this pot. I do like it. I guess you couldn't see the name. So GSI Glacier stainless 1.1 liter boiler. I couldn't beat the $10 price tag. So yeah, just let me know what you think in the comments. Yay, nay, whatever. Maybe you have one yourself. And as always, cheers to all of you. Kampai. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm actually working on another video right now, so, and then another one after this. So I'll be here a little bit, doing some stuff. So have a good one. Man, hot chocolate's good stuff, man.